What is a fee waiver and can I get one for court fees? Imagine facing a legal issue but worried about the costs involved. You might wonder if there's a way to get help with paying court fees. Well, that's where a fee waiver comes into play. A fee waiver is a process that allows someone who cannot afford to pay court fees to ask the court to excuse or reduce those costs. This can include fees for filing a case, responding to a case, or taking other legal steps. Fee waivers are especially helpful in family law cases like divorce, child custody, or support cases, where expenses can add up quickly. To qualify for a fee waiver, courts usually look at your income, assets, and expenses. They often follow guidelines based on the federal poverty level. If your income is at or below 125% of this level, you might qualify. For example, if your income is less than or equal to 125% of the federal poverty level for your household size, you could be eligible. Courts also consider if you receive public assistance such as food stamps, temporary assistance for needy families, or supplemental security income. If you get these benefits, it can support your case for a fee waiver. Even if you do not meet these exact criteria, you can still ask for a waiver if paying the fees would cause serious hardship. This means if paying the fees would make it hard to afford rent, food, utilities, or other basic needs, you can request a waiver. The process involves filling out specific court forms that ask for details about your income, expenses, and benefits. Some courts have online tools to help you complete these forms. You might need to provide proof like pay stubs, tax returns, or benefit award letters. If your income fluctuates, you can explain this and give your best estimate. Once you complete the forms, you file them with the court. A judge reviews your application and decides whether to grant the waiver. If approved, you can move forward with your case without paying the fees upfront. Keep in mind that some family law cases, like protection orders for domestic violence, often do not have filing fees at all. Also, if you are filing for guardianship of a relative child, the fee may be automatically waived without needing a separate application. It is important to remember that even if you get a fee waiver, you might still be responsible for other costs. These could include fees for serving legal papers or paying witnesses. These costs are separate from filing fees and may not be covered by the waiver. Always check with the court clerk to understand which fees still apply. If you are unsure about whether you qualify or how to apply, you can contact the court clerk's office or seek help from a legal aid organization. They can explain the local rules and assist you with the forms. Asking for a fee waiver is your right if you cannot afford court fees, and it can make a big difference in accessing justice. In summary, a fee waiver is a way to ask the court to excuse or reduce court fees if you cannot pay them. In family law cases, this can help you handle important matters like divorce, custody, or child support even when money is tight. The process involves filling out forms, providing financial details, and getting a judge's approval. While not all fees may be waived, and rules vary by court, this option is designed to help ensure that cost does not block your access to legal help.